Use a before words that begins with a consonant sound and an before words that begins with a vowel sound. It's important to note that it's not about the spelling of the word, but rather the sound it makes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic on when to use a and an. Many people confuse when to use a and when to use an. So in this video, we will discuss all these things. And before we start, I would like to request you, please like this video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press that bell icon so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get started. In English, we use a and an as indefinite articles before nouns. But how do we know which one to choose? Well, it all depends on the sounds that follows the article. Use a before words that begins with a consonant sound and an before words that begins with a vowel sound. It's important to note that it's not about the spelling of the word, but rather the sound it makes. For examples, words that begins with a consonant sound: boy, women, horse, book, and so on. So in these words that begins with a consonant sound, we should use a, like a boy, a woman, a horse, a book. Examples of words that begins with the vowel sounds: enemy, ice cream, orange, and so on. So in these words that begins with the vowel sound, we should use an, like an enemy, an ice cream, an orange. But what about words that start with a vowel letter but sound like a consonant? In these cases, we still use a. Let's take the words university as an example. Even though university starts with a U, it sounds like university, which has a Y sound at the beginning, so we say a university. Now, what about words that start with a consonant letter but sound like a vowel? In these cases also, we still use an. Let's take the words hour as an example. The word hour starts with the letter H, which is a consonant letter, but it sounds like hour, which has O sounds at the beginning, so we say an hour. And that's all for today's video. I hope this explanation has cleared up any confusions you might have had regarding the usage of a and an. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.